The difference between heavy-duty and standard industrial linear rail. Heavy-duty industrial linear rail and standard industrial linear rail exhibit substantial differences in their design, performance, load-bearing capacity, and the applications they serve. Here's an exploration of their main differences. 1. Load-bearing capacity and structural integrity. Heavy-duty linear rail, engineered to handle heavy loads and high torque. These linear rail have a robust construction with thick gear, teeth, and high-quality materials capable of withstanding massive forces. They are ideal for industrial machinery and heavy equipment. Standard linear rail, designed for lighter loads and lower torques. They offer a balance between performance and cost. Standard linear rail are commonly used in applications with moderate power requirements. 2. Size and material composition. Heavy-duty linear rail, typically larger in size and weight. They are built with robust materials like high-strength alloy steel. These linear rail often feature precise heat treatment processes for enhanced durability. Standard linear rail, generally smaller and lighter. They are often made from materials like mild steel or cast iron, which are cost-effective and adequate for less demanding applications. 3. Operational speed and efficiency. Heavy-duty linear rail, due to their size and weight, operational speeds tend to be lower compared to standard linear rail. However, they excel in reliability and longevity, making them suitable for continuous operation. Standard linear rail, capable of achieving higher operational speeds. They are ideal for applications that require rapid movement and responsiveness, such as automation equipment. 4. Service life and resistance to wear. Heavy-duty linear rail, manufactured using superior materials and advanced heat treatment techniques. These linear rail are designed for long-term use in challenging environments. They offer excellent resistance to wear and tear. Standard linear rail, while they provide satisfactory service life in regular conditions, they may not perform as well in extreme or continuous operation scenarios as their heavy-duty counterparts. 5. Application scenarios. Heavy-duty linear rail, commonly employed in heavy machinery, construction equipment, and industrial conveyors, where high torque and reliability are paramount. Standard linear rail, well suited for light to medium-duty machines, office equipment, and appliances, where the load requirements are relatively modest.